Does TCL TV have AirPlay? TCL TVs are popular for their affordability and smart features, and many users want to know if they support Apple's AirPlay for wireless streaming. AirPlay allows users to mirror their iPhone, iPad, or Mac screen to a TV without needing additional cables. Understanding which TCL models have AirPlay and how to use it can help you make the most of this feature. 1. AirPlay support on TCL TVs. Not all TCL TVs come with built-in AirPlay support. However, newer models with Google TV or Roku TV operating systems often include AirPlay 2, allowing users to stream content wirelessly. If your TCL TV does not have AirPlay, you may need an external streaming device such as an Apple TV. 2. How to check if your TCL TV has AirPlay. To see if your TCL TV supports AirPlay, go to the Settings menu and look for an option related to Apple AirPlay or screen mirroring. On TCL Roku TVs, AirPlay settings can usually be found under the Apple AirPlay and HomeKit section. If you don't see these options, your TV may not support AirPlay natively. 3. Using AirPlay on a TCL TV. If your TCL TV has AirPlay, ensure it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Apple device. Then, open the Control Center on your iPhone or iPad, tap the Screen Mirroring option, and select your TCL TV from the list. On a Mac, you can use AirPlay by clicking the AirPlay icon in the menu bar and choosing your TV. 4. Alternatives. If your TCL TV does not support AirPlay. If your TCL TV does not have built-in AirPlay, you can use external devices like an Apple TV box, Chromecast, or third-party apps that enable screen mirroring. Some TCL TVs also support DLNA or Miracast, which provide alternative wireless streaming options. 5. Troubleshooting AirPlay issues. If AirPlay is not working on your TCL TV, ensure that both the TV and your Apple device are running the latest software updates. Restarting both devices and reconnecting to Wi-Fi can also resolve connectivity issues. If the TV does not appear in the AirPlay menu, double-check that AirPlay is enabled in the TV settings. Many TCL TVs now come with AirPlay 2 support, making it easy to stream content from Apple devices wirelessly. If your model does not have AirPlay, alternative options like Apple TV or Chromecast can still provide a seamless streaming experience. Keeping your TV and Apple devices updated will ensure smooth connectivity and performance.